Welcome to our comparison of two popular countertop ice makers, the Antarctic Star Nugget Ice Maker and the DUMOS Ice Maker. In this video, we will delve into the unique features of each machine, focusing on their ice production capabilities, design, and overall value. Which are a fan of chewable nugget ice or prefer the quick production of bullet ice, we have all the details you need to make an informed decision. Let's get started. The Antarctic Star Nugget Ice Maker produces chewable nugget ice, which is perfect for enhancing the flavor of your drinks. In contrast, the DUMOS Ice Maker creates traditional bullet ice, which is great for cooling beverages quickly. While nugget ice is often preferred for its texture, bullet ice is more common and versatile for various uses. When it comes to pricing, the Antarctic Star Nugget Ice Maker is priced at $189.99, reflecting its premium features and high capacity. On the other hand, the DUMOS Ice Maker is budget-friendly at just $69.99, making it an attractive option for those looking for a portable ice maker without breaking the bank. In terms of production capacity, the Antarctic Star can produce up to 34 pounds of ice in 24 hours, making it ideal for larger gatherings or frequent use. The DUMOS Ice Maker, while still efficient, has a slightly lower capacity of 26.5 pounds in the same time frame. This difference may influence your choice depending on your ice needs. To wrap up, the Antarctic Star Nugget Ice Maker is perfect for those who prioritize chewable ice and high capacity, while the DUMOS Ice Maker offers a budget-friendly, portable option for quick ice production. Depending on your needs, either machine could be a great addition to your kitchen. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.